In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use powerquery in Microsoft Excel. Powerquery is a powerful tool that allows you to connect, transform, and clean data from multiple sources quickly and efficiently. Whether you're dealing with large data sets, merging multiple tables, or preparing data for analysis, learning powerquery can save you a lot of time and effort. By the end of this video, you will be able to import data, clean it, and prepare it for your Excel reports without manually editing each row. First, open your Excel workbook and go to the Data tab in the top menu. Here, you'll find the Get and Transform Data section, which is where powerquery lives. This section allows you to import data from various sources, including Excel files, CSV files, databases, or even websites. Next, click on Get Data and choose the source of your data. For this demonstration, we will use a simple Excel workbook as our source. Navigate to the file you want to import, select it, and click Import. A preview window will appear showing your data before loading it into Excel. Once the preview is open, click Transform Data to enter the powerquery editor. This is where all the magic happens. In the powerquery editor, you can perform a wide range of data cleaning and transformation tasks, such as removing unnecessary columns, filtering rows, splitting or merging columns, changing data types, and renaming headers. For example, if you have a column with extra spaces, you can select the column and use the trim function to remove them. You can also filter rows to show only specific data, or sort columns to arrange data in the order you need. Each transformation is recorded in the Applied Steps panel, which makes it easy to track changes and adjust them later. After cleaning and transforming your data, click Close and Load to bring the data back into your Excel worksheet. powerquery will create a new table with your transformed data, ready for analysis or reporting. If the original data changes, you can refresh the query, and powerquery will automatically update the table without repeating all the manual steps. And that's it. You now know the basics of using powerquery in Microsoft Excel. With practice, you can use powerquery to simplify complex data tasks, save time, and make your Excel workbooks more efficient. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.